The iPhone 13 arrives with subtle yet impactful improvements over its predecessor, refining the user experience and delivering on Apple's commitment to innovation. Let's dive into what makes this device worth considering. Number 1. Design and display. The iPhone 13 retains the iconic design language, but with minor refinements. The ceramic shield front cover offers improved durability, reducing the risk of screen damage from drops. The Super Retina XDR display is vibrant and immersive, offering excellent color accuracy and brightness levels. Number 2. Performance. Powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the iPhone 13 delivers blistering performance, handling demanding tasks effortlessly. Number 3. Camera. The dual camera system receives enhancements, particularly in low-light photography. The larger sensor captures more light, resulting in brighter and more detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Number 4. Connectivity and battery. 5G connectivity ensures blazing fast speeds for streaming, downloading, and browsing. With optimizations and power management, the iPhone 13 offers extended battery life, making it reliable for day-to-day use. So, the iPhone 13 stands as a testament to Apple's dedication to refinement and innovation. While it may not introduce groundbreaking changes, its combination of performance, camera capabilities, and design enhancements make it a compelling choice for those looking to upgrade.